Even small.
Wow.
Small and heavy.
Oh, it's crazy.
Wow.
Are you shushing?
Look at that.
Careful.
Oh, that's very good. Oh, sofa. Oh,
Yeah, be careful.
they staple the.
Speakers.
100% money back guarantee.
What happened to
14 days, no reason to return. 30 days. No problems. Lifetime satisfaction.
For real?
What happened to?
For real?
Pretty big, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. What screws?
Look at the
So
sofa part.
Huh?
The sofa part. Hey, where's the
15
picture?
steps. 15 steps. So 15 steps is what they actually said, and I was totally surprised that a sofa would fit all in here. But you see the cushions are vacuum packed, so once you see us cutting the cushion packaging open, they'll start to expand. That is the armrest, and there's some contents in there. The armrest is made out of a wood shell, so it makes it pretty durable. So if you want to pick up the sofa, on the top right you can click the link and it'll put a more tab on the bottom. Click it there and you'll see that this is the brown color or coffee color I got, but there's other colors available at Amazon. So this is the Horgio sofa.
Good?
Yeah. Do you hear the air?
Yeah.
You hear the air coming out?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's already expanded now. Now push it through. Yep. See? Easy, right?
Nice.
And then you can put it away. See? That's the secret sauce.
Nice.
Alright, so everything's apart now, and I'm sorting through all the parts, trying to get everything together here, the frame, etc. So now this is actually the Ottoman, I believe that's what's the verbiage, and we're putting that together. I decided to use a drill to do things faster than using an Allen key. So you can see I'm using that, so it's a lot quicker for me. The feet for the furniture is pretty heavy duty too, very, very solid. It has little cushions so that way you won't scratch your floor, which is good. So now working on the base of the sofa, that is the bottom frame with the springs, and I'm putting a front balance, I believe it's called, and I'm putting on the arms, and the arms are pretty solid. Like I said, they're made out of solid wood, and it looks like a pretty good fabric overall. So I had my second oldest son Jonah helping me, and you can see my youngest Jeremiah just kind of floating around. So you can see the two halves are complete, be put together. Now we're going to use this T-mount and a little mallet. It came with a small mallet. I'm using a bigger mallet to put that T-mount a little bit tighter. So unfortunately I ran out of battery and it stopped recording, sadly. But the rest of it's pretty easy. You can see I got it assembled here, and then I got it inside. You can see my daughter's enjoying the sofa here. What's cool about it is that the ottoman is adjustable. You got a magazine spot pouch there. The bottom cushions actually have springs like a mattress, so it's very springy, cushiony seat bottom, and it feels very firm, which I like. I don't want a sagging sofa. The top cushions or the seat back cushions, they're a little bit wrinkled. If you put a little bit of steam on it, it should wrinkle out. They were wrinkled because of the packaging. Remember, it was vacuum packed earlier. The armrests are very, very sturdy. The fabric is very nice, and it doesn't have a stinky smell that you would think when it's imported. And I'm over here reading my magazine. Oh look, it's about my old truck, the Tacoma. So if you're interested in this sofa from Amazon, they do have other colors as well. I'm going to put a link in the description and also up in the corner on the upper right. If you have any questions or comments, please post below. Have a great day and peace out.